All right, the first step is to get a 1,000 milliliter beaker and fill it with water. All right, so the first part to make your hydrometer is to get a straw, get some Play-Doh, ball up a small amount, and put it through the bottom.
That's messed up.
Then you're gonna wanna take this and put it in the water to see if it floats. If it sinks to the bottom, that means you need to take some Play-Doh off. Otherwise, it should be good, as you can see here.
So the next point, next step is you want to take it out and make a mark on where the water line is. So very carefully grab it, figure out where the water is, and you can see it on the straw. Make the mark and then double check it when you put it back in the water.
So for the next part of the lab, we're gonna do the same thing, but except for water, we're gonna use hydraulic fluid. So the first part is to put gloves on. So you're gonna need another lab partner to hold the beaker while the other pours the oil. Make sure you have an oil pad. We're actually gonna add one more.
And now we are pouring it into the beaker.
This is the do-it-yourself hydrometer, a 1,000 milliliter beaker, and we filled it up to the 800 milliliter mark. Then we took our Play-Doh as a mass at the end of a straw.
So we're going to use a real hydrometer with a scale from 0.8 to 1 to see what the specific gravity is of this hydraulic oil.
Measure the distance from water to vegetable oil, which we then plugged into this equation for y, also using our x value calculated, which was 3.5 millimeters, which we then used to solve for z, which was specific gravity of vegetable oil using our homemade hydrometer.